Alright, so I actually found a couple packs of the OP09 One Piece. So this is the one from, I guess, at least early last year. But I came across a couple of these. So let's see what we can pull here. Alrighty. We got Heat, Red Force, Sanji, trying to get the glare off, Beepo, Usopp, Jinbei, Black Vortex, Jozu, Bartholomew Kuma. Oh, Nami. That's a cool one. It's not a hollow or anything, but this one is. Oh, goodness gracious. I've not seen this card, but that's gotta be a big one. Monkey D. Luffy. SEC 1 star, full art. So it's alt art. That's awesome. I'm gonna have to look that one up. Good deal. These One Piece cards, they're always like a little bit fuzzy on the edges. But this one looks like it's in great shape. Good deal.